Manufacturing quality. What does it mean? It is the ability of a product or process to consistently meet specified standards and customer requirements, ensuring defect-free and reliable output. It focuses on minimizing variations and maintaining performance. In simpler terms, manufacturing quality means creating the same high-quality product every time. Think of it as a recipe. You follow the exact steps and ingredients to make sure your final dish tastes the same every time you cook it. Manufacturing quality focuses on three key things: consistency, defect reduction, and customer satisfaction. For example, let's say you're assembling a smartphone. The components have to fit perfectly, the screen must function without glitches, and the battery should last as expected. All of these elements come together through strict quality control to make sure the product meets its standards. It isn't just about making things. It's about making things right, consistently and reliably, every time. To learn more on manufacturing quality, visit orcalean.com today.